I've got 5 bunches of bok choy. I'm just cutting the end off, which I normally keep for a decoration. And now we're going to give them a nice thorough wash. Once they're washed, cut them into about 4 centimeter slices, just the whites, and put them into a bowl. The greens put into another bowl. In a wok, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding the garlic first. And we're going to just add the whites of the bok choy and cook them a little bit until they are really tender. To that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Once they're a bit tender, add the greens. A teaspoon of fish sauce. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder. And there you have the most delicious tasting bok choy. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.